So today is basically our 2XU mid-year meetup, so I'm bringing you guys along. Those are the two vans that we have. Most of the people are already inside those vans, but today I'm going to bring you guys along to the 2XU mid-year meetup, and I'm going to ask questions to our executive assistants on how they're using AI, so you guys have actual examples for people using it. So this is, of course, you guys know, hopefully, my amazing assistant, Honey. So, Honey, how do you use AI?
Basically, I use AI for content, for marketing, and even for admin tasks. Yeah, I think that's the main three things I use AI.
What's your favorite AI tool?
ChatGPT, and I recently used Claude, and I love how Claude do its thing. So yeah.
Very cool. So to give you guys more context on what we're doing, basically somewhere around the middle of the year we usually do a big meetup. Last year we went to a mountain resort. Today we're just going to do a safari trip, basically. All amazingly organized by this woman right here. So we're gonna do a safari trip and then we're gonna do dinner. And like I said, in the middle I'm gonna be asking our assistants how they use AI, so you guys have a little bit more examples too. AJ, what are the different ways that you've used AI?
Several ways. One is I ask it work stuff and personal stuff. One of the interesting ways how I ended up into XU is I asked ChatGPT to help me make a decision.
That's great. That's really good. The question is, how have you used AI?
I've used AI with my everyday tasks when I have to type activities to make sure that when there are gaps, it should help me identify it, and then whenever, most importantly, it helps me organize my thoughts whenever I would draft emails because my brain or my head is all over the place most of the time.
How have you used AI as an executive assistant?
I use AI for generating social media captions, for data management, and basically for everything that I do.
Okay, go. How have you used AI?
I use AI a lot in terms of telling me what to do, like in automations, and yeah.
amazing marketing manager for 2XU. How do you use AI?
For creating content and as well as that's mostly I do.
What are the different ways you've used ChatGPT or AI?
For content marketing.
And
Website management.
and
And SOPs.
oh yes. How do you use AI?
I use AI in a lot of my tasks, mainly from improving my emails, and then I also use it in cold outreach, especially since our efforts are into outreach right now. We have utilized AI in improving our copies, creating leads, and also sending them out.
So the question is, what are the ways that you've used AI?
The ways, like ChatGPT and something like that.
ChatGPT or any other tool?
Okay. First, ChatGPT. Recently I've used it a lot in creating policies. Like recently, I drafted like 20 plus policies for my clients' Kajabi module, because we're creating this 10 weeks Kajabi module, and the first weeks is to introduce the policies and procedures to the newly recruits and all of that. So yeah, that's one thing. And another is I've recently introduced to my client. She doesn't know this, but she's been paying Slack. She's been paying a lot of money to Slack, and she doesn't know that it has like new features that Miss Mar introduced it to me, like lists, project management tool. So the one thing that I introduced her recently is this list, and she's very happy about it because it can easily give notification to Slack, because that's what she wants. Her employees will get like real-time notifications that, hey, you need to order this product. Hey, reminders. You have and something like that. So I set that system for her and for the team. And another last thing that I've created using AI is another thing that I've introduced to her, and I think she's really happy about it because she saved a lot of money again, because she is supposed to purchase Hootsuite for like social media management, but then I introduced her to Canva content planner, and she doesn't know about it as well. And we've set it up. We connected to her social media accounts. I plan the content there. I create the captions, and automatically it will like go to Facebook and Instagram. So yeah, those are the three recent like things I've used AI.
Very cool. Yeah, the question is, how do you use AI as an EA?
As an EA, I use AI for generating content ideas, and also we use AI for basically summarizing emails. So it makes a lot of things easier easier, especially if you need something just to get the key takeaways. So that's what we mostly use AIs, and also we use it for creating newsletter, basically draft by using Claude, and then from there we refine it to basically have the voice of my client, and that's what we use it mostly.
So it's Monday morning. Basically, we just went ahead and had dinner, and then that basically was the wrap up of the day for the 2XU meetup. I hope you guys learned a lot from our EAs on how they're using AI, and hopefully you got some useful tips and tricks from them as well. If you guys like this video, if you guys this kind of vlog style, let me know by hitting like and comment below if you have any questions on how to use AI for your day-to-day. I would love to make a future video about it, and if you still haven't, make sure to hit the subscribe button right there so you don't miss any of the videos every Sunday and Thursday on how to work from home and how to open business from home, which you guys can check out those 2 playlists right here and the latest video right here. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and with that, small steps matters, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.